I'm Amy Anderson and you're watching OptionRally TV. Click the link to my right and get more information on OptionRally. So here are what's happening today, October 22nd, 2013 in the market. The pound loses against a shocking dollar. U.S. court ruling allows for new claims against BP. And lastly, the U.S. is due to release the non-farm payrolls. Your profits are starting now. The U.S. National Association of Realtors said earlier that existing home sales declined 1.9% to a seasonally adjusted 5.29 million units in September from a downwardly revised 5.39 million in August. Investors are waiting for a string of additional U.S. economic reports later this week in order to evaluate the impact the recent government shutdown had on the economy. For now, the British pound to U.S. dollar closed yesterday at 1.6147, then went down to 1.6127, continuing this morning. For pound trading today, it is recommended to consider a call option when the price hits 1.6233 and to consider a put option when the price hits 1.6098. BP could face tens of millions of dollars of new claims from British shareholders who lost money after the Gulf of Mexico oil spill following a decision by a court in Texas. The company, which is fighting a slew of different legal battles relating to the April 2010 disaster, suffered the setback in its multi-million-dollar court battle with 6 institutional investors who claimed the oil giant did not come clean about the scale of the disaster. BP has announced its intention to take part in the new oil fields opening in Morocco. Will this be enough to offset any new potential lawsuits in the U.S.? BP shot up from a high of $445.75 last week to $449.55. For BP trading today, it is recommended to consider a call option when the price hits $450.47 and to consider a put option when the price hits $444.72. Today in the market, the U.S. is due to release the non-farm payrolls. This measures the change in the number of people employed during the previous month, excluding the farming industry. Job creation is the foremost indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for the majority of economic activity. A higher than expected reading should be taken as positive for the USD, while a lower than expected reading should be taken as negative. The forecast is for it to be 180K. Tune in today at 1:30 GMT and get ready to trade the greenback. I'm Amy Anderson. Follow me Monday through Friday right here on my channel, on my Facebook page, and at OptionRally.com. See you tomorrow.